the table. Oh dear! The floor. And then my poor meatball rolled right past the door. It rolled in the garden and under a bush. And then my poor meatball was nothing but mush. Oh, the mush was so tasty, as tasty could be. And then the next summer, it grew into a tree. Oh, the tree was all covered with beautiful moss. And on it grew
No, Goose. No.
and tomato
Give me it.
sauce.
Give me. Give me it. Thank you.
Bet you've never seen a tree like that before. Well, I'm not going to let my meatball get away from me this time. I'm going to eat
No.
it no matter...
No, dude. Quit. No. You can't have that.
Listen, Elmo has a question.
There you go, dude.
Oh, hi. I'm on my way to have my favorite lunch, spaghetti and meatballs. I just hope I can eat my meatball this time. You won't believe what happened
Hey, mister.
last time.
Put that back. What are you doing? Put that back.
On top of spaghetti,
Put it back. Quit that.
all covered with cheese.
No.
Crushed my poor
Hey.
meatball.
No.
When somebody sneezed.
No. Quit. Come here. Come here. Get out from back there.
Oh dear, the floor. And then my poor meatball rolled right past the door.
What are you doing, dude? Are you mad? You mad? No, leave that stuff alone. Quit.
Was nothing but mush was so tasty.